James here, and today I'm gonna show you my really first squishy package from my best friend Annie. So let's hop to the video. I lost the package plastic, so I hope you don't mind. So let's go. The package that she gave me is really nice and good. There's a two squishy. I got these from her. So let's go to the first squishy. Squishy that she gave me is this. It's really cute. And she actually gave it to me. It's really cute and it's squishy, but it has a bit of defect to it, as you can see when you squish it. As you can see. Yeah, so, and how about this? You can see the Hello Kitty face. So, this is the tag. And the second squishy that she gave me is this really nice and amazing cute Hello Kitty strawberry. So as you squish it, it's not defected at all. And you can see it's not even defected at all. So yeah, let's squish it. And it's a little bit of slow rising. So it's really squishy, and here's the tag. Okay, and it's so squishy, yeah, squishy. So, okay, so it's so squishy. I can't take it anymore. It's so squishy. Oh yeah. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't. So yeah.